Gonna hit some of these, Gee, listen to that thing, man. It sounds like a fucking tuning fork. It's crazy. Oh no, is that a kid? Shit, I heard a kid. They chase these things. Flying pretty sweet. Sounds good. Yeah, it's got a bit of speed on it. Where's there kids, man? I hear kids. That was close. Going anyway. Not. Ha! Faker. Okay. That was pretty slick. Ha! I will say, I knew there was a gap there, but I didn't know how good it was. Alright, let's try a trippy. Gotta get one in. It's a bit different on the 5-inch, eh? I've been used to this 3-inch. And it's been, yeah, it's a lot of power in this 5-inch. I gotta say, it's a lot more fun. The vanny roll. It's not a lot more fun actually. I like the little one too. Like, they're just different, right? Like, so judgy. That was pretty crazy. Pretty lucky not to hit it. Come on. Don't know what that was. Bit of fucking prop wash, that's what that was. Fuck, this thing's quick. There is a little tiny gap in that I can probably get, right? Hey, let's give it up for the veterans. The flags, boys. Give it up for the veterans. I think I'm really out of battery. I'd like to get another flyby for the flags, but I can't. I'm on 19 volts. Sorry, boys. Another day. I'll do it on Anzac Day, eh? On Tuesday.